Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. This video is the fifth lecture of my 14 days beginners to advanced level pivottable course. If you have missed the previous videos, the link of playlist is available in the description section of this video. You can navigate through the playlist and watch the video of your choice. In this video, I am going to share with you how you can create a pivot table if your data is separated across multiple worksheets. Here you can see I have information of order ID, products, sales and regions in my sheet 1 that is named as products, and then I have a sheet named customers, and here you can see I have information about order ID, clients and purchase medium. And in my third sheet that is named as order status, I have information about status of orders. And I want to create a pivot table containing the information from these three sheets. Here you can witness that although many of my headers are different in these three sheets, I have a common column in each of these sheets, and that column is order ID. You can see I have this column in my order status sheet. Similarly, I have this column in my customers sheet, and I also have this column in my product sheet. So I am going to use this column to link my different sheets. But before creating a pivot table, we need to convert the information in each sheet in the form of Excel table. So let's do it quickly. Place your cursor on any text field column in your data, press Ctrl A and then press Ctrl T. Leave it as checked and press OK. Let's name table as products underscore info. Move to next sheet, press Ctrl A, then press Ctrl T, press OK, and let's name it customers underscore info. Now move to sheet 3, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl T, press OK. Now let's give it a name, order underscore info. Now move to sheet 1 and go to insert, select pivot table, and a dialog box will appear. I have repeatedly emphasized in my former videos to uncheck this option of data model. Today, we are going to use it because whenever there arises a situation where you have to link data from different workbooks or different sheets, we go with the option of data model. Check it by clicking on the box and then press OK. So here we are with our pivot table navigator sheet. Let's name it as pivot table. In the pivot table fields under the active tab, you will see that headers of my first sheets are appearing. And if I switch from active to all, you can see that header fields in each of my three sheets have been consolidated by the pivot table already. But if you think that they are ready to be used for compiling your pivot table, then let me tell you that they are not. We have to first create the links between them before using them for creating a pivot table. So in order to create a link between them, let's go to pivot table analyze tab. Here you will find the option of relationships. Click on that and in the dialog box go to new option. We are aware of the fact that we have order ID as a common column in each of our sheets. So we have to link different sheets with each other using that column. First, I am going to link my order info with my customer info table by using a common column that is order ID. OK, and press OK. As we have three sheets, so this means we have to create one other link. For that purpose, again go to new. Here, select customer info and link it with product info by using the column order ID. OK, and press OK. And when you are done with creating all the links, press close button and the dialog box will disappear. Now we are ready to work with different fields that are available in our three sheets. Move some fields in pivot table area. I like to see sales in my value section and I want to drag clients in my rows section. And then I would like to see the purchase medium in column section, and moreover we can also drag regions from our products info fields to row section. Now you can see that I am able to manipulate the information that was existing in my three different sheets into one pivot table. We can change the design of pivot table by going to design tab in pivot table tools, and here I am going to off all my grand totals, and I also don't want to see the subtotals, so I am going with the option do not show subtotals. For the report layout, I want to see them in tabular form, and I also want to hide all these buttons, so I will go in the pivot table analyze tool. I will remove the buttons by clicking on plus minus buttons, and I also want to get rid of unnecessary labels, so I am going to select field headers, and here I am with the information of regions, clients and purchases that have been done online and that have been done in store. You can add as many fields as you wish in the pivot table area. So this is all for today. If you liked today's video, then don't forget to hit like. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to it so that you can benefit from upcoming videos. Thank you for your time. Stay blessed. Have a good day.